As we move closer to their launch, leaks and rumors for Samsung Galaxy S10 lineup are picking up the pace. We have only seen one live leak so far, whose authenticity is not a full 100%. This is an alleged prototype of the Samsung Galaxy S10 that's under testing at Samsung and was used to demonstrate 5G. However, now it looks if the first live image of the Samsung Galaxy S10 might have surfaced. Samsung is rumored to introduce several changes on next year's Galaxy S10 smartphones. The most striking of these changes will be the new display, dubbed as Infinity O. This panel will have a camera cutout on the top right and its overall look will resemble the freshly launched Galaxy A8s. Now, we have got an image of a smartphone that might be the Galaxy S10. Like leaks for Google's Pixel 3 lineup, this device was also spotted in transit presumably in South Korea. It's got a strong chance of being Samsung's Galaxy S10, particularly since no other smartphone on the market has a similar front design. As you can see in the image, this smartphone has thin top and bottom bezels, and its front camera sensor is located at the top right corner. The smartphone was spotted in a survey in South Korea. Of course, given the low quality of image, what appears as a camera cutout might be a marking in the application that's running on this gadget. However, the person who took this photograph believes that this black circle is indeed the camera cutout and uses this fact to reason that this smartphone is Galaxy S10. Samsung is expected to launch a Galaxy S10 lineup in late Feb. Nevertheless, we can't guarantee its authenticity and therefore you should take the photograph with a grain of salt. The S10 lineup will feature a new entry-level Galaxy S10 Lite and introduce new features. So yeah guys, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.